Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious yakhni lamb pilau. This recipe feeds about 16 people, so it's absolutely perfect for sharing. Here's what you need: 6 cups of basmati rice, washed very well and soaked for at least 2 to 3 hours. 1.5 kilos of lamb shoulder meat cut into pieces, 6 medium onions thinly sliced, 6 medium tomatoes peeled and chopped roughly, 2 handfuls of coriander leaves and 8 green chilies finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, 1.5 cups of plain yogurt. These are the dried spices you will need: 8 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of ground coriander, 3 whole black cardamoms, 1 star anise, 8 cloves, about 8 peppercorns and 8 green cardamoms. For an added kick, I would recommend that you add in 3 to 4 teaspoons of yakhni pilau masala, which really is a ground version of all of these spices. In a pan, heat 1.5 cups of oil. To that, add the whole spices, not the ground ones. Fry these on a high heat for about 5 minutes. Add the onions and fry until a light golden colour. Add the ginger and garlic paste and fry for about 3 minutes. Then add the meat and fry for about 5 minutes. Now add the yogurt and salt and fry until all the liquid has evaporated. Once you see the oil bubbling on the sides, add the green chilies and coriander and also all the ground spices. Fry this for about 5 minutes. Add the tomatoes and fry for about 5 minutes. Add 3 cups of water and cook the meat for about an hour on a low heat until tender, or if you're using a pressure cooker, you probably only need to cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add the rice to the cooked lamb. Now add in the water. I add in the same number of cups of water as the rice plus an extra one. I already had about 1 cup of liquid in the lamb gravy, so I've added in 6 cups of hot water. Turn the heat down to a medium/low and let it simmer. Stir occasionally. The rice will absorb the water. When there's about half a cup of liquid left, now's the time to steam. I cover the pot with foil. Some people cover it with a damp tea towel. Make sure that the pot is tightly sealed and then put the lid on. Turn the heat down to the lowest heat possible. If your lowest heat isn't low enough, then you can put the pot on top of a very hot tawa. I've steamed this for 20 minutes and it should all be ready now. Now it's perfectly done. My whole family absolutely loves this. Please do give it a go, and thank you very much for watching.